So let's make some jalapeno poppers. We grow these jalapenos every year in our garden. This is one of the things we love to do with them. So the first thing we need to do is brown up our sausage. Now we get our sausage from a family farm, so it's all custom. But this is a mild sausage. You can make it hotter if you want. So we'll get this nice and brown, and then we're going to drain it. And we're going to add that to our cream cheese. So we browned our sausage, and I put it in a bowl. And what I like to do is just get a bowl and I'll put napkins underneath it and drain it. This is a pound of summer sausage. We really only need half of that. So I'll take the other half and freeze it, use it for another batch in the future, or even biscuits and gravy. Okay, so I've added about 8 ounces of my sausage to my cream cheese and my garlic powder. I'm gonna go ahead and put in 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna mix it up. Okay, here I've got the sausage and the Parmesan, the garlic powder, and the cream cheese all mixed up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this aside. And I'm going to start working on the jalapenos next. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and slice up these jalapenos. It is important that you wear rubber gloves when you're doing this, because if you don't, you'll go to the bathroom one time and you'll say, yep, I should have worn my gloves. Okay, so what I've done here so far is I've cut them in half. I know some people will go ahead and cut them in half and leave the top on, but I like to cut them in half. I'll fish out the insides and the membrane with a spoon. And then when I wrap them, after I stuff them, I'll wrap a bacon on the backside that'll keep it all in. Now that I have them all cleaned up, I'm going to go ahead and stuff them with the cream cheese and sausage mix. I'm going to wrap a piece of bacon around them, a whole piece of bacon around them. I'm going to put them on the wire racks, get them ready for a grill. Okay, we ended up with about 39 pieces. We had to go short on some bacon on some, but we've got them all wrapped up in bacon. We're going to go ahead and dust them with a little bit of Richard Fergula's butter pecan rub, and then we're going to get them on the smoker at 225. We did go ahead and dust these with Richard Fergula's butter pecan rub. We're going to let them sit and kind of sweat in a little bit while we're warming up the smoker. Okay, don't know if you can see, we got the grill set 225. We've got the poppers in there. I put a sheet of aluminum foil underneath it to kind of help catch some of the drippings. We're 1 hour in. Let's see how they're looking. We're 2 hours in. They're getting pretty close. After 2.5 hours in, I think we're going to go ahead and pull them.